Okay, so my dad drove this tractor, and you remember in my last video it was leaking fuel. So we had to use the 40-20 to fix, or to finish the planting corn. So I got two brand new fuel filters because I think the glass is cracked on this one. When I prime it here, it leaks out of there. So I'm going to replace that, and we'll go from there and see. Look at that nice battery. That nice battery, Ofo diesel. That won't catch fire. It'll be fine. It'll be mint. So we'll go and do that, and we'll see if that fixes the issue. Probably not. Alright, I got them back on there. I haven't filled them up yet, so let's see if it leaks. It probably will. So we have to pump it here. Oh, yeah, it's still leaking. We got some major issues here. Something's going on. I don't think it was put in there right, but I don't think it's gonna stop leaking. But I'm gonna prime it up here. We'll try it anyway here. Let's see how rough a starting it'll do here. I think it's still leaking, it looks like. Wait a minute. It's probably going to be airlocked in there. There, the fuel is going in there. Now we can test it and see if it leaks now. I'm sure it will, just being my luck today, everything going wrong. Okay, it's going back in the tank. You can hear it. Alright, well, we're going to fire it up and see if it starts leaking. Then we can tell if it was the right move or not. I think it'll start pretty good and run. We've done this before. But if there's quite a bit of air in there, I don't know. We'll find out, I guess. Oh my goodness. We got a blower flying here. No leaks yet. I think we got her fixed. I hope. Must have just been a bad cracked housing. That's odd. That's good fuel in there. I'm gonna keep that. We'll let it run for a little bit here. Let's see here if it comes out of it. It really runs 10 times better than the 7140. When you change the fuel filter on that, it wouldn't even stay running, wouldn't even start. Alright, we'll let it run for a while, but I just thought I'd do a video for that. I've been busy. Haven't had a chance to video anything, so I know they were dripping when I put them batteries in there, so I thought I'd show you how I fixed it, hopefully. I just ran it again, and it still looks like it's been dripping, but it's not. It's just from before so much fuel leaked out. But it's all dry now. I ran it for a while, so it should be good. But yeah, it's from previously, so. Alright, well. And I put some hydraulic oil on there. She should be ready to go now.